How to factory reset iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can factory reset our iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to factory reset our iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is open up the settings app and make sure that you have backed up everything, because once you factory reset it, you won't be able to restore anything unless you've backed it up. So from there, what you want to do is simply go to the general option here. Then once you go to general, here you can simply scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. So you can tap on transfer or reset iPhone here. Then just tap on erase all content and settings. Then you will see that these are the data that will get deleted, which is the absent data, the Apple ID, the Find My. Then tap on continue to successfully erase your iPhone. This way you can go ahead and then basically erase our factory reset iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, queries, doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.